Q8700. What will occur if the vapor vent float in a pressure carburetor loses its buoyancy? A. The amount of fuel returning to the fuel tank from the carburetor will be increased. B. The engine will continue to run after the mixture control is placed in idle cutoff. C. A rich mixture will occur at all engine speeds. The correct answer is A. If the vapor vent float in a pressure carburetor loses its buoyancy, it will sink, causing the vent to close. This closure will prevent the proper venting of vapor and result in an increase in the amount of fuel returning to the fuel tank from the carburetor. 8701. What method is ordinarily used to make idle speed adjustments on a float-type carburetor? A. An adjustable throttle stop or linkage. B. An orifice and adjustable tapered needle. C. An adjustable needle in the drilled passageway which connects the airspace of the float chamber and the carburetor venture. The correct answer is A. Idle speed adjustments on a float-type carburetor are typically made using an adjustable throttle stop or linkage. By adjusting the position of the throttle stop or linkage, the throttle opening at idle can be controlled, which in turn affects the engine's idle speed. 8702. For what primary purpose is a turbine engine fuel control unit trimmed? A. To obtain maximum thrust output when desired. B. To properly position the power levers. C. To adjust the idle RPM. The correct answer is A. The primary purpose of trimming a turbine engine fuel control unit is to obtain maximum thrust output when desired. Trimming involves adjusting the fuel flow to achieve the desired engine performance and power output, particularly during takeoff and climb phases. 8703. Which type of fuel control is used on most of today's turbine engines? A. Electromechanical. B. Mechanical. C. Hydromechanical or electronic. The correct answer is C. Most of today's turbine engines use hydromechanical or electronic fuel controls. These types of fuel controls provide precise and automated control of the fuel flow to the engine based on various parameters such as engine speed, temperature, and power lever position. 8704. Under which of the following conditions will the trimming of a turbine engine be most accurate? A. High wind and high moisture. B. High moisture and low wind. C. No wind and low moisture. The correct answer is C. Trimming a turbine engine will be most accurate under no wind and low moisture conditions. Wind and moisture can affect engine performance and introduce variables that make trimming less accurate. Therefore, calibrating the fuel control unit under calm wind conditions and low moisture levels ensures better accuracy.